It's looking pretty beautiful outside. But we're about to go to breakfast. That's pretty much all I have to say. It is 9:35 because it's vacation. No one can judge me for waking up late. I had an omelet and I also had
what the activities are every day.
I also got my old smoothies, but they make like 2 at a time. And that one's pineapple and banana. And this one's watermelon, pineapple, and I have no clue. Okay, so I switched into my, we're back in our room, but I switched into my dinner from last night because I need to take a picture. My hair looks crazy, but it's like the last time I'm gonna have my hair out on this trip because I'm gonna get it braided, not like the whole thing, just like 2 braids. It's just because, well, as you can see, it's a lot and it's super duper thick, so like a lot of people don't understand I have really thin hair, but it's like impossible for me to wash this and maintain it every day, especially with like water always in it, and it's not like naturally this, well, it's wavy, it's not like super curly, but the point is I'm gonna have to braid it, so this is gonna be like my only time having it out, and my hair looks crazy, but I'm gonna go take a cute photo of last night. Doesn't look like my hair is as long when it's in a braid. Is anyone even gonna compliment me? I need compliments to make myself feel good. So we just got to Serenity Beach with our golf cart or whatever, and we've been getting ready to see a friend. I'll explain that later. But Serenity Beach was like my favorite. And they have a little oyster bar that my mom always goes to. But yeah, it's like the calm of the beach. There aren't as many kids, you know, jumping around, playing around, and like kids. It's pretty calm and it's really, really, really pretty. Serenity. Both of my grandmothers came here earlier, so we came to come find them, but I kind of stopped on the searching trips and got some crepes, which are literally my favorite thing. Whenever we come, well, crepes and donuts, anyway, whenever we come to the Dominican Republic on this beach, I literally will have like 30 crepes in one day from this is my favorite place to eat here, which is Crepes. You can't see. Crepes. But we've been here for a total of like 5 minutes, and I've already eaten 2 crepes, and I'm coming back for another, like right now. Did not eat the omelet.
I ate the omelet.
The second one? You got a second one?
Yeah, I got a second one. I ate all that.
We were talking about how we have no reason to work up an appetite, but we're hungry, and I want a salad and a quesadilla. I don't know.
Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Picture me when I was little on top of this. It's so cute. We are leaving the beach now. I'm now driving a golf cart, so. Where we live, everyone has a golf cart, so I need to be prepared for when you buy me a golf cart, you know?
I got you.
I'm gonna die.
Right.
the road.
I'm sorry.
This is my car, and I just rode it, and that was great. Drove it. I'm a driver. What? At the pool, a little, I don't know, but I have books, that's cute. Anyway, this is like the presidential pool. Really sad that we don't have our own personal pool, but I think we're gonna go to our friend's pool later on tonight. But yeah, cool. I'm gonna get in before we need to go get ready for dinner, and we're drinking pina coladas. Woo! How deep it is. Does everyone have that moment when you get in the pool? Oh yeah, and this one has a drop off. I don't know how deep it is. I'm about to Annie Bertalia. We're finished. We're cold because we don't have towels, and we're about to go back to the hotel room to take showers and get ready for dinner. And my lips get blue when I swim. Okay, so I got really ready, like, talk about a glow up. What? I'm vlogging.
Oh, sorry.
Anyways, I got ready, like, super ready, like, full face of makeup, wearing regular makeup. Point is, we're gonna get ready to go to dinner. I'm wearing the same romper I wore to dinner in Panama City, like, literally less than a week ago. But we're getting ready to go to dinner.
3 days ago.
Oh, okay, anyway, we're going ready to go to dinner an hour later than anyone else because reservation was an hour ago. So we were just eating at this tapas place, and here's what it looks like. It's like, you know, Espanol style. Well, not Espanol, Spain. Not like other Spanish countries, Spain. Put your pinky rings up to the moon. Dun-it. What y'all trying to do? Dun-it. 24 karat magic to me, girl. Look out. Showtime. Showtime. Get back again. Better rock. Better rock. We go again. I don't know any of the words. What's going on the internet? Yes, yes, yes.
Focus. This has no focus. I still can't see you. I still can't see you. Oh, nope, nope. You're a blur. A blur. A blur. But you're working it. But you're working it. Keep it going. Keep it going. I can see you as you get closer. Hey.
The people's driving here is freaking whack. My mom said it's like, she looked it up or whatever, it's like the what most unsafe driving in the world? Like, I don't know, but it's on the list and that's a problem. Like the actual Dominicans who drive here are crazy.
They have driving laws.
Yeah.
Or like road laws.
But like,
I feel.
the golf carts, you know, when I was like, you know, it comes like barreling like straight into us.
Like him today, he's like, you should turn on your headlights. Really?
What a creative idea. I didn't even think about that. Your mirror on the wall. Who's the, I don't know, mediocreest of them all. We got some drinks and I was like, no, you can't have a Persian mojito. And I was like, Persian, because I thought she was saying I can't have it because I'm underage. And I was like, I know, I want a Persian mojito. But they don't have mint.
Time I kiss you and hold you, life is one big symphony.